Hey Mazda BMW family, it's James at Mazda BMW of Crystal Lake. I saw something recently on one of our Tech's cars, our BMW Tech Jacob. Owns a Mazda 3, a 2019, like this one, although he changed this front splitter. You might have seen a version of this online in one of the YouTube videos. It's calling it a Mazda Speed, but there was no speed about it. It was just performance or an aerodynamic kit, the side sills or rocker panels. He did a really good job though, and it looks awesome. Check that out. Nice job, Jacob. And one other cool thing that I saw coming back to the office after playing some music and doing some chores at home on my day off, this beautiful 850 GranCoupe. This thing is stunning. For sure gonna have to make a video on it. Also too, this is a really nice, unique car. Here's a 335 with a manual transmission. It's a 2011 and there is 156 on the odometer, but very, very, very clean. Here's the seat. You can look for a common wear spot, but in decent shape. I haven't driven this one yet, but I've talked to Jordan and he has, and he's impressed. But rear option nav, so this client got all the right stuff excepting for, nope, they're there, heated seats. Sometimes you find them without heated seats. Should be on every BMW. And this is all-wheel drive, so I want to say that this is 0 to 60 in, wait, is this all-wheel drive? Yeah. This was advertised as 530 to 60.